Hi gentlemen, welcome in another video. In this video I'm gonna show you a new software AIwhitelabel. This software have a lot of tools for your business. Like this, create your AI tool from scratch by using this software. And if you scroll down here, you wanna see a lot of tools like follow white label it and set up monetization and lead generation. And if you scroll here, let's a white label market it for you. Marketing also in this software. And if you scroll here, you wanna see a lot of tools. And this video is explain how this software is work. If you wanna enjoy and grow in this software, click in the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.